Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Simple Renovation Tips. Today I'm going to be showing you how to repair a joint between two panels of splashbacks. These panels, they are two layers. That corner there is a gap there. So I'll show you a close-up now, and I will tell you step by step on how to repair something like this to make it look like it's all blending and there is no gap in there. Okay, this is the joint that I was talking about. Okay, now I completed the masking tape, as you can see. So when you look at from here, so you can see a straight line all the way up. This is the intention, this is the whole intention. And this gap basically is going to be filled with the sealant. That's the one. So I'm going to give it a go and we'll see together how it's going to come out. So what I did is followed it at the bottom underneath these cabinets. So I did my best basically to see a straight line all the way around. Here, as you can see, there is a big gap as well. So I had to make the thickness of the mastic here thicker than normal. As you can see there, well, I don't have any choice really if I wanted to get a straight line, otherwise you will see it. So all around, this is to the edge of the frame, the window frame, and coming around. Let's get started. So I'm not worried about that. This is basically something completely different. I'm not trying to use the same technique. So around here I'll be using stainless steel edgers. So this is, as you can see, there is a gap there because this is the old tiles. So I got the splashback and just stuck it on top. There's a special glue also that you use to stick it on top as it is. So I'm not worried too much about what's in here. I might probably just use a filler in there. That's all. I don't need to pretty that up, but I have stainless steel edges, so I will be putting around there so that it gives it a very neat, clean and neat look. So that would match also, you know, the stainless steel in the kitchen. It's all microwave black and stainless steel. This is sort of charcoal and stainless steel, so it's all sort of matching anyway. Okay, what I forgot to mention is you just need to get a bit of water in detergent, any kind of detergent that makes soap. Just a few little drops maybe in there. I'll tell you later on what it's that for. Just bring it over here. Now let's cut the tube. And the other thing is the nozzle. We cut it at 45-degree angle. So if you can see me there. So this is how we're gonna cut it. And you fit it in the gun. So you do that. Squeeze it. Just a couple of, as you can see, it's coming out. That's enough. So at the 45-degree angle now, you just work The reason I'm pushing is because it's hollow inside, so I wanted to fill that gap as much as I can. Okay. So when you finish, just release. Press this, release. So now what you do is dip your fingers inside this water. It's a little bit soapy. And press on it and make your hand move freely. Yep, my eyes are satisfied now. So basically you just go around and do the whole lot. I'll show you how it's going to come out. And then you pull the masking tape as soon as you finish that. You shouldn't really wait until it dries out. So we started now peeling the masking tape. So as you can see, it's a very straight line. So just try to pull outwards. So we haven't waited much anyway when we finished applying the silicone. So maybe it's just probably 10 minutes maximum, because I need to finish the whole thing. So I just pull out. Just take your time. You don't need to rush it, because this is extremely important. The end result is exactly what you're after. Okay, so as you can see, the result is just amazing. So let me just get a close-up. This is the result. This is awesome. Really, really professional. Okay, guys. Thank you very much. Okay, the job is now finished. So as you can see, that's the end result. It's pretty well done. Very nicely done. You can see there the bottom. So that's it. Job is complete. This is the end of the video now. Thank you for watching our video. Please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and if you have any comments, leave them at the bottom. And thank you very much, and see you in the next video. We are planning a lot more to come, so please be tuned.